Alright, Mopar people, welcome back to the channel. I'm JustMoparJoe. A couple announcements. One, I got a haircut. Feel better about it. You know, you get one a year. It's a new year. Happy New Year to you. Two, I've got over 2,000 subs now, so I got to do something big for that. I've been thinking on it, dreaming on it. I got to do a redemption burnout video because my other one sucked. Let me show you what I got going on with this Dart Sport today. But let me show you my plans for it here. So this is going to be Project Reverse Racecar. And what I mean by that, so most of y'all know I sent this off to get painted. My painter kind of fell through on me. He had some personal issues. So I'm going to paint it. And I was in the shop today and it was like, it's going to be 54 degrees here. And I thought, it sure feels like Saturday to me. I think I need to work on my Dart Sport. So my goal today, I'm going to get this thing several spots primed. I've got some direct metal primer to throw on there. And clean up some of the rust. You can see it on the door here. Yucky. Some there. Fender tops. Most of the stuff that was left bare metal, obviously. And of course, I got to sand over all the old primer that's on there too. But for Reverse Racecar, my plan is, it seems like I did a 360 build series, and I've had a lot of people ask me, where's that motor at? Is it running in the car or what? And it's sitting over here, cleverly covered up. I think we ran that back in July of 20. So it has been ran, cam's broken in. I've turned it over a few times since then, cranked it up. Now, you know, I'll let it idle a few minutes or something, but nothing crazy. Trying to keep it lubed. So I'm going to drop that in here for our Project Reverse Racecar. And my transmission is hiding right there. It's a 904 variant. I think, I was talking to John Wilburn, he thinks it probably has the low first gear in it. So I've got that trans, I've got that motor, and I've got a car. This was the original intended place for those items. I didn't want to race my black truck as much this year. I haven't had good luck with it lately, and I'm ready to get, if you're going to drag race, an A-body is, in my opinion, the best Mopar you could have for that. You can disagree, tell me in the comments, that's okay. Project Reverse Racecar. So basically what that means is I'm going to build this car with the very bare essentials and go drag race it. I also have a one of the new HRR 688 boxes to throw on here. I'm going to test that against an orange box, test it against a stock box, see if I can pick up any time. I'm going to try to get the car as fast as I can, as fast as it will go, before I start adding the other stuff to it. This is actually a street car. That's the main intended purpose for it. The rear end that's in it is a 10-bolt Chevrolet rear end somebody stuck in there. It's got 373 gears, and they've been welded up. They welded the spiders up. They did a nice job, but it's still a Chevrolet rear end, and it's welded up. So that sucks, but it'll be fine for what I'm doing. I'll see what the car will run in 1/8 mile and 1,000 foot. That's all we have in Arkansas. And then I'll come back, and I'll put my full interior in it. And I'll go back to the racetrack. And I'll see what it'll run in 1/8 mile and 1,000 foot. And then I'll come back, and I will switch the rear end out for the 8.8 rear end. It's got 327 gears. This is 373s. I'll take it back to the racetrack, see what it runs at 1/8 mile and 1,000 foot. Anything else y'all can think of, let me know. I've got a manual steering box, so I'm going to show you a conversion. This one's got power right now. And, you know, headers fit easier with manual steering, and race cars like lighter weight. So I think it'll be kind of a fun project. It'll accomplish two things at once. I can get my car built finally, and I can have a car I can go race with some. You know, I plan, hopefully I can get out 5 or 6 times this year. That's my goal. And I'll be at just, take this car, bracket race it while I'm there. Maybe do a test and tune with it so I can kind of show y'all some stuff. Like we're doing comparisons between boxes and whatever. Just kind of a fun car. And then I'll make it more, I'll add my creature comforts and amenities, as they can be called. I can do it exhaust, no exhaust, headers with extensions, and then full exhaust. Just different things to try. So y'all let me know in the comments what you think of that. I'm going to probably go ahead and get busy sanding on this. I got a new sander I want to show you. The NACO 8-inch gear-driven orbital sander with pad. Special, made in Taiwan. So we're going to see how that works. Got that on Amazon. I'm going to save the box just in case. A couple different kinds of paper. This is 40 grit, this is 80 grit. We'll see how it goes. And here's that beast of a sander. I think it probably takes a man to run it. Hopefully I'm enough. That's it. Got a thumb controller. And I've just been aching to try it out on this car. I'll probably start on that back quarter panel and give it the old razzle dazzle. See how fast it works. But I'll save that for another video. So if you like my idea on reverse race car, let me know. Whatever you think in the comments. I'm going to try to push forward on it and get some stuff done. So hopefully next time I see you, I'll either be burning rubber or working on something. Thank y'all for watching.